step-by-step guide to deploying and configuring an Azure Virtual Network. In this lab, you'll create a virtual network VNet, configure subnets, and add tags to organize your Azure resources. Follow these steps to complete the process. 1. Start in the Azure portal. 1. Navigate to the Virtual Network section in the Azure portal. 2. Click Create at the top of the page to begin setting up a new VNet. 2. Configure basic settings. 1. Resource group. Select the resource group prod RG from the dropdown. 2. Name the VNet. Enter VNet app as the virtual network name to indicate its purpose for application resources. #3. Enable security features. 1. Move to the additional settings section. 2. Enable virtual network encryption to secure traffic within the VNet. 4. Configure address space. 1. Replace the default address space with doc 192.168.0.0. 2. Add a subnet. Click Add a subnet. In the subnet purpose dropdown, select Default. Rename the subnet to Apps to clarify its purpose. 5. Review subnet settings. 1. Scroll down to ensure all VNet and subnet settings are correct. 2. Click Add to save the subnet configuration. 6. Assign tags. 1. In the Tag section, click the Name dropdown and select Environment. 2. In the Value dropdown, choose Production to label the VNet as part of the production environment. 7. Review and create. 1. Click Next to review your VNet settings. 2. Once satisfied, click Create to deploy the VNet. #8. Confirm deployment. 1. Wait for Azure to process the configuration. 2. You'll receive a notification when the VNet is successfully created. 3. Click Go to Resource to access the newly created VNet. 9. View network settings. 1. Expand the Settings section of the VNet to review address spaces, subnets. By following these steps, you'll successfully deploy and configure a secure and well-organized Azure Virtual Network. Now, proceed to the Resources folder and click Access the Lab to